Hello everyone, here I am going to show you how to push the Docker image to Docker Hub using Maven plugin Spotify. Okay, let's start. Let's create a Maven based Spring Boot project. File, New, click Other, Spring Boot, Spring Starter project, click Next here. Here we have to provide the name of the project, Docker image, Docker Hub, publish. Group is com.ts.inc. Artifact is same. Description is and then package name is hub.publish. Maven is a project type. Language is Java and version is Java version is 11. Click next. Let's add the dependency here. So Spring Web. Let me add this one. Click next. Click finish. First, let's add the server port here equal to 2. Open the pom.xml file. There is only one plugin is available. To run this application, what we need to do is we need to create a Docker file and then we need to add the Maven plugin in pom.xml file. And with that plugin, we will be able to create the Docker image and push that image to Docker Hub. First, let's create the controller. Let's make it as a REST controller. Add REST controller. Let's create a simple method. This method will return the string get message return. Let's map this to OutGet mapping. We will give the root URL. When we run the application, we should get welcome to our ts.inc. Now we will create the Docker file here. Right click, new file, Docker file. Name it as a Docker file. Click finish. Here I am going to add. I'm using JDK 11 so that I'm using Open JDK 11. I'm giving the jar file name and I'm copying that jar file to my Docker image. And then I'm giving the entry point Java -jar. So this is the way that application will start. Okay, we created the Docker file. Now we need to add the dependency and the plugin in the pom.xml file. Docker file Maven plugin is provided by the Spotify I'm using, and the version I'm using is 1.4.3. And the execution, we have the default execution here, and the goal is build goal and the push goal. Both the goal means to build an image and push that image to the Docker Hub. If you come down, you can see the configuration one. Here we have to provide the tag name on the repository. Here we have to provide the image name. Repository is ts.inc. Image name, you can provide any name. Here we will provide the artifact ID. This is the one. Tag, we are providing the project version. Whatever the version of the project would be, that would be the tag. So what we can do, let's remove the snapshot here. Let's start with 0.0.1. Okay, now configuration is done. You have to make sure Docker is running in your machine. If you don't have Docker installation on your Windows, I already created the separate video for it. I will provide the URL in the description. Please watch. Okay, go to settings. Here, you have to enable the expose daemon on TCP localhost 2375 without TLS. Enable this checkbox and then restart your Docker. Then only this plugin will work. Okay. All our configuration is done. We are good to go. Before that, let's go to our Docker Hub. Before we can push an image to Docker Hub, first we will need an account. on Docker Hub. We have to sign up. Once the sign up process is done, you can see the front page here. Okay, now what we can do, we need to run the Maven command in order to build and package a project. So right click, run as Maven build. Here, clean package. This command will build our Docker image, and then what we want to do is I'm using Docker file plugin. With this Dockerfile plugin, I need to push that image to Docker Hub. For that, add another command called Dockerfile :push. We can do everything separate as well, but better to run everything together. Click run here. You can see all the steps are done. You can see that the file is successfully created, and then pushing the image, and then build got success. So all steps are done, whatever we added in the Docker file. Now let's go to the Docker Hub and check. Refresh here. You can see the Docker image, Docker Hub publish. We just created this one. You can see if you click this one, you can see the version here 0.0.1. If you want to change the version, go here, and then if you look the version, if you will provide 2. Again, if you will run the same command, run as Maven build, clean package, Docker file, :push, run. You can see this, build got started, and all the steps are, see the steps here. Successfully created the Docker image here. Build got success. Now go to the Docker Hub, refresh it. You can see 0.0.2 version got created now. If you want to download the same thing, click public queue. Using this command, you can download. This is how we can publish the image to Docker Hub using Maven plugin. Actually, it is not preferable to upload Docker images to Docker Hub or any of the registry using your local environment. It is always best practice to use the CI/CD pipeline or any of the tools. I think you will get an idea about how to upload Docker images to any Docker registry or any Docker Hub in simple way. Thank you for watching.